Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Zimplit CMS on Rocky Linux 9.3. Zimplit CMS is a content management system CMS that is extremely lightweight, simple, customizable. It consists of only one core engine file and it does not require any database to run the application. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Rocky Linux 9.3. Next, I am going to install Apache Web Server and PHP by using the following single command. Now the Apache and PHP installed successfully. Next, I am going to start and enable the Apache service by using the following command. Now I am going to check the status of the Apache service by using the following command. Our Apache service is in active and running state. Next, I am going to download the Zimplit CMS package by using the following command. Package has been installed successfully. Now long list the file by using the following command. This is the downloaded Zimplit package. Next, extract the zip file by using the following command. Now again long list the file. This is the extracted directory. Next, I am going to rename the extracted directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to move the Zimplit package to default Apache root directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to change the ownership of the Zimplit directory by using the following command. Next, we need to give the correct permission for the Zimplit directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a virtual host to access Zimplit CMS by using the following command. Press I to insert mode. Here enter the following lines. Now this is our host name and this is our Zimplit document root directory. Now save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to edit the host file by using the following command. Here we need to add the host entry for Zimplit CMS. After editing the file, save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to allow the Apache service in firewall by using the following command. Next, reload the firewall by using the following command. Next, we need to disable the SLNX by using the following command. Finally, we need to restart the Apache service to apply all changes. Now go to the web browser and access Zimplit CMS. Here, create the account for Zimplit CMS. I am giving admin as username. Here we need to enter the password. Retype the password. Here we need to give the mail address. After that, give start. Here we need to give the URL. Then click OK. Now we can see the dashboard of Zimplit CMS. By this way, you can install Zimplit CMS on Rocky Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.